Samsung confirms Galaxy F series launching in India soon. We have been hearing rumors about Samsung's plans to launch a new budget camera-centric Galaxy F series to join the existing Galaxy M and A series in India. Well, the rumors have proven true as the company has confirmed the existence of the Galaxy F series on social media today. The official Samsung India account took to Twitter to tease the new Galaxy F series, which will make its debut very soon. The tweet does not reveal the launch date, nor does it offer us a sneak peek at the upcoming device. The tweet's caption says, "The new hashtag GalaxyF will definitely leave a mark on you. Stay tuned to go #fall_on." Galaxy F41 is rumored to be the first smartphone in the Galaxy F lineup. It carries the codename f41 and has shown up on Google Play Console and Geekbench, thus revealing most of the key specifications. It is said to be a Galaxy M31 rebrand, as per reputable tipster Ishan Agarwal, with new color and RAM plus storage configurations. Galaxy F41, rumored specs and features. As seen in the image above, the Galaxy F41 will arrive with a Full HD Plus 2340 by 1080 AMOLED screen with a water drop notch on the front. It will be backed by the Exynos 9611 chipset, which seems to be Samsung's most loved chipset in the sub-Rs20,000 price segment in India. You will also find at least 6 GB of RAM and Android 10 on board. Galaxy F41, as per the leaked user manual, will include a rectangular triple camera cutout on the rear. It is expected to feature a 64MP primary camera, an ultra-wide lens, and depth or macro sensor, along with the LED flash, to round up the kitty. The smartphone is also confirmed to sport a USB Type-C port, no word on the battery size just yet, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a dedicated microSD card slot. Galaxy F41 is said to be coming in 3 colorways, blue, black, and green very soon. Stay tuned for updates on the launch date and specs leaks over the coming days.